Good morning and welcome to your Monday market update for May 18th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is decidedly mixed. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. We're seeing red across the board. The S&P 500 is down 0.4%, sitting at 736. The Nasdaq is taking the bigger hit, falling nearly 1% to 702.17. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones is essentially flat, holding steady at 495.39. So tech is clearly dragging things lower while blue chips hold their ground. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven. And there's some real movement here today. Tesla is leading the declines, dropping 2.6% to $411.25. That's a notable pullback for the EV giant. Nvidia isn't far behind, sliding 1.83% to $221.19. The AI chip leader can't seem to catch a break this morning. Apple is also under pressure, falling 1.52% to $295.67. Meta is dipping modestly, down about 0.8% at $609.40. But there is a bright spot. Alphabet is bucking the trend, climbing 1.18% to $401.48. Google's parent company is the lone green name among the top movers today. Let's pivot to commodities where the picture is more interesting. Oil is surging, with WTI crude jumping 1.77% to $150.85 a barrel. Energy traders are clearly watching supply dynamics very closely right now. Silver is also catching a bid, up 0.7% at $69.53. Gold, however, is barely moving, essentially flat with a tiny 5 basis point decline at $417.10. Over in crypto, it's a rough morning. Bitcoin is sliding 2.13%, trading at $76,429. Ethereum is getting hit even harder, tumbling over 4% to $2,096.69. That's a significant move for ETH and worth watching as the week progresses. Unfortunately, Forex data is unavailable this morning, so we'll have to skip our usual currency update. We'll bring you those numbers as soon as they come in. So what's the big picture here? We're seeing a clear risk-off tone in growth and tech names. Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple are all feeling pressure. Crypto is confirming that cautious sentiment with double-digit style percentage drops across the board. But the Dow holding flat and Alphabet pushing higher suggests this isn't a broad-based panic. Oil's strength tells us the energy trade is alive and well heading into summer. Keep an eye on Nvidia and Tesla as the week unfolds. These names tend to set the tone for broader market direction. Also watch crude oil closely. If WTI keeps climbing above 150, that could start weighing on consumer sentiment. And Ethereum's 4% drop might signal more volatility ahead for digital assets. That's your morning market snapshot for May 18th. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow with the latest numbers.